don't play with her, don't be dishonest. Ay, still not understanding this logic. Hey, I'm back and I'm better.
Hello my ginger brother and jelly bean, welcome back to another episode of JVLOGS. I'm really upset with you guys. Honestly, I made a really good video last week and it only had 11 views. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. What did I do? Why you guys not watching? I'm upset. I can't have 345 subscribers and only have 11 views for an important video that if you guys watch it, the tagline might not be fancy and catchy, but there's substance in that video. So me I beg you please, before me and Nana have things, before we, me twang have a fight, you guys need to go over there and watch that video. No, today is a new day, it's Monday, and I'm coming with another video. The thing is, I just want to talk to you guys and ask you guys this question because I know I'm human and probably other people have been through this situation before, so I just wanted to hear your opinion and I need your feedback on this. So this is like a nice interactive video for you. So have you ever been in a situation where you're with your partner and you really love the person and you're in a relationship for like a really long while, but you find yourself having doubts, you find yourself thinking about, questioning yourself, do I love this person? Would I cheat on them? How would I feel if I cheat on them? And some people like myself in the past have been in situations where I cheated on my girlfriend, and it wasn't easy for me. But I questioned myself, I asked myself, do I really love this person? Do I truly love her? If I really love her, then I wouldn't have cheated on her. So that's the question I want to ask you guys. If you really love somebody, do you think if you cheat on them, do you still love them genuinely without a doubt, like deep down inside? Because all of us talk to ourselves, all of us do it. All of us sit down and ask ourselves questions and think about stuff deeply. I do that a lot, and question ourselves and we say, do we love this person? Would we go to the end of the earth for them? Would we jump and take a bullet for them? Would we stop a car for them? That kind of thing, that kind of vibe. So that's what I want to ask you guys. Have you ever been in a situation where you question yourself and you ask yourself, do you really love this person, what you would do for them, and you actually convince yourself that you would go the extra mile for that person? Or you're just the type of person that don't really care, even if you've been cheated on, you don't really care, you just live, you just flow, you just go with anything that is in front of you, and that's how you live. So let me hear in the comments below your opinion on this topic. Is it still love? Do you still love them genuinely, or is it lust, or you just trying to use them, or you just never love them at all in the first place? Why you would cheat on them? Yeah, so this is where I end the video. Make sure you guys watch. Thanks for watching JVLOGS, guys. See you next time. Ding 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 ding.